Yeah, I've had it quite a while. About 12 years. Yeah.
She goes everywhere then?
Yeah, down Slovenia, through across Europe. Back from Czechoslovakia.
What exactly is it?
An Armstrong MT500, ex-military bike, mid-80s. Built by what is now in the CCM. So effectively it was ordered for the Falklands because they needed a form of transport that could get them around easily down there. And then afterwards Harley-Davidson bought the rights and they made the MT500.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right, yeah.
Put an electric start on it and disc brake. So not quite exciting as drum brakes.
Oh, it depends how you want to view it.
But you have to plan your way ahead a little bit further. Yeah. So it's got the dual seat fitted, so the missus can go on the back of it.
That's quite comfy actually, isn't it?
It's not too bad. Yeah. She doesn't mind. She prefers it to the TT600. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite pokey
Kickstart.
in the bottom end. Green laned it loads. Hasn't really let me down. I'm thinking about it. I kept thinking it's going to let me down, but a couple of times it's let go of the cam belt on the side, but that's an easy fix on the
Yeah.
road. What else to say about it really? Love it. It's my favourite keeper bike.
Lovely.
I've stopped it on tarmac a couple of times once on black ice and it picked it up and off my wheel again afterwards. Not even a scuff.
What about your bike, Paul?
Well, Royal Enfield Himalayan Euro 5 22 model. Brilliant bike, so easy to ride, very comfortable. Has a teacup holder on the back.
Perfect.
Modifications, spark buster guards, and this little piece of perspex at the top here just stops the buffeting, stops your head banging back and forwards as you're doing neck bracing speeds of 60. Breakneck speeds.
Yes, I bet on this it feels fast, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I've had it several, well, few months now. It's about 3 months, 4 months. Yeah, about nearly 5,000 miles on it, and brilliant.
What about
well, this is HAYLEY'S.
Hayley?
HAYLEY'S SR 1998 Yamaha 125. It's just kept going, just kept going. Brilliant. Yeah, she's also got Himalayan as well.
What was that? You got Himalayan as well? Waiting for her.
Yeah. 411. Sorry, yeah, the Himalayan's 411.
Yeah. Jade's being chased by a wasp. You're too sweet, Jade.
Bloody hair.
Give me an intro.
Go.
What?
Hello, Sean. Would you like to talk to me about your bike? Tell me about your bike.
Okay, my name's Sean Logan. I'm part of UK Vegan Bikers, as you can see. We're here for the weekend. Loads of people have turned up, much more than what Bruce was anticipating, which is a result. Just quickly go through my kind of bike. I've had every kind of bike you can imagine, GS's, everything, and this is the bike for me now. So a Honda CRF 250 Rally. It does everything I need, sits at 60 to 70 all day, is light, I can pick it up, I can go off-road. I love that it's kind of just so light and agile. It's like a cross between a motorcycling goat and donkey. I love it. It does everything on the tin and more, and it's got that boring Honda reliability, which I love.
Very nice. And let's not forget, it's got a load of cable ties as well.
Oh yeah, if you're in the shit, you'll always need a cable tie. My top tip to everyone is 2 things. 1, always carry a multi-tool.
Yeah.
2, always have some zip ties with you, okay? And that should get you out of the worst of trouble.
Always.
Hi everyone, me again. Another top tip. You know, when you get on the ferry, it's a pain in the arse to give you a ticket. You go, where do I put this? Oh shit. top tip, buy a crocodile clip. You can get a cloth in there as well. You just put it in the front, and then you should, shit, where do I put my gloves? You have a little elastic band there, you put your gloves in there, and then you can ride onto the ferry and not fiddle around.
And then it just got it on its head, so it couldn't say anything.
What is the exhaust system on it?
It knew what it would do it.
Yeah.
About 10 minutes it managed to, because I thought, I don't want to get the scissors in, and I don't want to damage the eye. And it managed to get
That
it
is
out,
amazing.
and
I like that.
And the other day. But then I thought, I'm sorry. And you're going to have to be evicted as well. Now I know where you're going to live. You're going in the garage.
Oh my god, that's fantastic. What is the theme? What is? How long should we know
You added these and you
Yeah,
added
so
the lights on as well?
The extra handguards, just because the standard ones that come with Triumph aren't really big enough to cope with the weather that we get. So a little bit of rain, your hands are still getting a little bit damp, whereas the bigger ones it's a lot better. And also with the airflow, it means that it cuts down a lot of the air.
Yeah.
The extra lights on the front, yeah, so I fitted a couple of extra spotlights just to break up the front image, give it a bit of a colour change with the amber lights as well. And then because it's used as the rescue vehicle for the Hedgehog Hotel, again it gives it a bit more visibility, which is why there's all the high vis.
I like the badges on the back, and that's an oversized box as well.
Yeah, so
size, isn't it?
Bigger one, because this is top box. This is the standard top box, the one that I use, but I've got a second one which Givey UK very kindly donated to us, which we've since had covered with a load of decals highlighting obviously the rescue, and that's been adapted, so we've got a heat mat inside it, so I can keep it temperature regulated, and just means that I can carry patients in comfort. So obviously they're going to be injured or sick and need transporting quickly but safely, so we don't want them rattling around. So there's a nice big foam insert that will keep the carriers in a nice stable condition.
I like it, it's good.
Yeah. It certainly keeps
And
me
this on
going.
the seat, is that so comfortable as well?
So I've got a cool cover
covers,
fitted.
isn't it?
Yeah, so the cool cutter, so that means that when you're out driving in the summer weather, the standard summer, not the heat wave that we've just had, instead of getting a nice sweaty crotch, you get a bit of airflow through that, which does actually cool you down. I was quite surprised at how much it does work, to the point where you do have to take it off in the winter.
Is it just, does it peel round or something?
Yeah, it's just fits.
They're tailored, aren't they, to
Yeah, they are fitted.
Specific seat size.
So they're shaped to the seats, but you also then strap it in underneath, so it holds it tightly in
And you
place.
can just take it on and off.
Yeah, take it on and off as you leisure. It does add a little bit of extra comfort, but the main thing, in terms of like sitting down, but the main thing is the airflow that goes through it.
Action!
So I've had this for about 18 months now, and I think I've put about 15,000 on, bought it second hand. Very, very good all-round bike. I've taken it off-road, up washed out gullies, rock strewn, and it took it all in its stride. I wouldn't want to use it for trail riding, but it will do it. I mean, it really is just a really great all-round bike. There's
a number plate.
Yeah, I treated myself to a number plate, and because it flows so nicely on the road in the bends, its name is Flow.
Flow.
Called it Flow.
So Flow Vstrom. Yeah,
exactly. Yeah, and it's because I can't remember my number plates, so I'll stand a fighting chance if anybody asks me.
Yeah.
And people complain about the corrosion, especially on the spokes on the wheels. These seem to be pretty prone to it.
Yeah, a lot of bikes nowadays are, don't they? It's not just these.
Yeah, it's a shame, but you know, I mean, it's built to a price.
Yeah. Even more
yeah.
expensive bikes suffer with that now, don't they? So.
Yeah. I'm just trying to decide whether it's sprung a bit of an oil weep from somewhere, but it's been all over. It's been all over the UK and Ireland. It's been down to the Pyrenees, and yeah, I'm pleased as punch with it. Especially now that it's got a new sticker.
UK vegan bike sticker. It's proper well equipped in it, will do.
Yeah, it's just handy
Yeah.
to have your waterproofs and your tyre repair kit and all of that just hanging on the side. It's always there when you need it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It's on my thumb control.
I think your chain needs a bit of lube, Simon. Your chain needs a bit of lube.
Oh yes, I've actually got some in the top box actually.